Well, hello, YouTube. Your girl is back. Quicker than last time, because last time was like a year break. But I'm back. Um, I was sent hair from a hair company that's kind of new to Amazon and trying to get their product out there. And I'm really not sure how to pronounce their name. I'm going to try my best, but I'm going to show you all the stock card on top of it because I feel like I'm finna say something wrong. So I'm going to break it down so it won't sound so bad. Hold on, let me get it together. Flotig, 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 her. I hope that's right. I hope I'm saying it right. If not, just correct me down in the comments, y'all. But this is the stock card. And it comes with, this is actually Ocean Wave hair, just in case you didn't catch the description. It came with 8 bags of hair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they put it all in this bag. I know, like it was stuffed to capacity. The hair was. Also came with a crochet needle, which was nice. I also got braiding hair. Hopefully, since this hair is pre-looped, let me take one out and show you. It removes kind of quickly, swiftly, expeditiously. S-T-I-C. And this is what it looks like. And this hair is pre-looped Ocean Wave hair, and it's soft. And I believe this was 10 inches, 16 on one. So with 8, that'll be, this literally took 26 minutes to get this in her. 26 minutes, and I haven't done anything since I put it in. And this is 4 bags of her. Like, I actually can go in and fill in a couple of spots because I did a finger width in the back, so that it would be full but not too full, because I want it to look more natural rather than like packed on my head. So this is 4, and this is the pre-loop Ocean Wave by, here we go again, y'all, Flotig her. I'm definitely gonna leave a link down below in my description to the website on Amazon, and a link directly to this hair. Oh, and a link to the braiding hair that I was sent also, if you want to purchase. But this is a middle. Some people are right part fans. Some people are left part fans. Left part people. Left part fans. Left part. I prefer right. I prefer it down. I prefer it right. Right now I'm just gonna slap this up down. Ooh, this ponytail. How the hair done been through some things. You don't even wanna do right. I don't want to do right, y'all. it ain't even won't do right, okay? But yeah, y'all, so this is it. Again, this her was sent to me for my honest review, and I do like it. It is very soft. I might have to do an update, like I said, cause yeah, Ocean Wave hair tends to nap and tangle, but so far with me running my fingers through it and playing with it, I'm I'm liking it, y'all. I'm liking it. Okay, let me see. All right, turn around and give y'all a little back view of what it look like. All right, everyone, this is it. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.